Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable audio auto-download when roaming on WhatsApp. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your audio files are automatically downloaded while you're on roaming. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right of the page. This will open the menu options. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap on it. Step 4. In the Settings menu, look for the Storage and Data option and tap on it. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Media Auto Download section. Step 6. Within the Media Auto Download section, locate the option that says When Roaming and tap on it. Step 7. Simply mark the option for audio. Toggle the switch next to audio to turn on auto downloads for audio files. Step 8. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your audio files are automatically downloaded when you're on roaming in WhatsApp. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thanks for watching and enjoy seamless audio auto downloads on WhatsApp while roaming.